Thinking of selling your home yourself? That's a bold move. It's not the path most people take, but it's one that can be incredibly rewarding if you're up for the challenge. You might be feeling a mix of excitement and nerves, and that's completely normal. After all, your home is likely your biggest investment, and deciding to handle the sale on your own is a big decision. Most people call a realtor, but you're ready to take charge and save a hefty sum on commission. That means more money stays in your pocket, instead of going to someone else. You're not just thinking about saving a few dollars. You're thinking about making the most of your investment and taking control of the process from start to finish. Selling for sale by owner means you keep more of your hard-earned money for your next home, a holiday, or even a new gadget. Imagine what you could do with those extra funds. Maybe upgrade your kitchen, take your family on a dream vacation, or finally buy that tech toy you've been eyeing. The possibilities are endless when you're in control of your sale. You're in control. You set the schedule, handle the viewings, and talk directly to buyers. You decide when to show your home, how to present it, and who gets to walk through the door. There's a real sense of empowerment in being the one who calls the shots, and you can tailor the experience to fit your lifestyle and your needs. No middleman, no mixed messages, just you and your home's story. You get to share what makes your place special, from the cozy reading nook to the backyard where you've hosted summer barbecues. Buyers hear directly from you, and that personal touch can make all the difference. You know your house best, from the sunny kitchen to the friendly robin in the garden. You can highlight the little details that make your home unique. The morning light in the living room, the quiet street, or the neighbors who always wave hello. These are things only you can share, and they help buyers see the true value of your home. Of course, it's not all sunshine. There's paperwork and phone calls, and it takes effort. You'll need to juggle appointments, answer questions, and keep track of important documents. It can feel overwhelming at times, especially if you're balancing work, family, and other commitments. But with the right guidance, it's absolutely doable. There are resources, checklists, and step-by-step guides to help you through every stage. You don't have to figure it all out alone. There's plenty of support available, and you'll learn a lot along the way. This is for the independent, resourceful type who likes to get things done. If you enjoy learning new skills, solving problems, and taking pride in your accomplishments, selling your home yourself can be a truly satisfying experience. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and tackle a challenge, you're in the right place. It's not always easy, but the rewards, both financial and personal, can be well worth the effort. Let's get started on this adventure together. You're not just selling a house, you're starting a new chapter, and you have the power to shape how it unfolds. Ready to save money and take control? Let's begin. Your journey to a successful sale starts right here, and I'll be with you every step of the way. Before you show your home, make it shine. Think of your house as the star of the show. Every detail matters, and first impressions are everything. Whether you're hosting an open house or welcoming a single potential buyer, the way your home looks and feels can make all the difference. Start with a deep clean in every room. Scrub those floors until they gleam, polish the windows until they sparkle, and don't forget those often overlooked corners where dust likes to hide. A spotless home feels more inviting and shows buyers you care. Pay special attention to kitchens and bathrooms. These spaces should absolutely sparkle, as they're often deal makers or breakers. A fresh, clean scent, think open windows or a subtle bouquet, beats any artificial air freshener and leaves a lasting impression. Next, tackle all those little repairs you've been putting off. Fix wobbly knobs, tighten leaky taps, and replace any burnt-out bulbs. These small fixes show buyers your home is well cared for and move-in ready. Consider giving your walls a fresh coat of neutral paint. Light, airy colors can transform a room, making it feel bigger and brighter. Neutral tones also help buyers picture themselves living there, rather than being distracted by bold or personal colors. Declutter every space. Pack away personal items, family photos, and knickknacks. Clear surfaces and empty shelves help rooms look larger and more open, giving buyers a blank canvas to imagine their own lives. Let in as much natural light as possible. Open curtains wide, clean the windows, and arrange furniture to maximize space and flow. A bright, airy room feels welcoming and cheerful. Staging isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating an inviting atmosphere. Add cozy touches like cushions or throws, and arrange furniture to highlight your home's best features. Simple details like a vase of fresh flowers or a bowl of fruit on the counter add a welcoming touch and a pop of color that draws the eye. Remember, buyers want to imagine their own lives here, so keep decor simple and the space bright. Less is often more when it comes to making your home feel open and inviting. The effort you put in now pays off later. A well-prepared home can sell faster and for a better price, making all your hard work worthwhile. First impressions matter. Make yours count by ensuring every detail is just right, from the front door to the living room. Now let's get your home ready for its close-up and make sure it stands out from the crowd. Time to set the right price for your home. Too high and buyers stay away, too low and you lose out. Research similar homes in your area. Look at sold prices, not just listings. Visit open houses and compare features honestly. Check public records for recent sales. Gather all your findings to determine a realistic price range. If your home has upgrades, price it at the higher end. Use appealing numbers. £254,950 sounds better than £255,000. Be confident but realistic about your home's value. The right price attracts serious buyers quickly. Trust your research and set a price that works for you. You've done the homework. Now price it right. Let's move on to getting the word out. Now let's tell the world your home's for sale. Start with a professional, eye-catching for sale sign. Clear, bold, and with your number. Great photos are essential. Use a good camera, tidy up, and shoot on a sunny day. Capture every room, the garden, and any standout features. Write a lively, positive description. Highlight the best bits and mention local perks. List your home on FSBO websites and share on social media. Ask friends and family to spread the word. Print simple flyers for local notice boards. The more eyes on your home, the better. Good marketing creates buzz and brings in buyers. Make your home stand out online and offline. You're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. Ready for the viewings? Let's go! The calls are coming in. Time to show your home. This is your moment to shine and make a lasting impression. Every ring of the phone is a new opportunity to welcome potential buyers and share what makes your space special. Be friendly and professional when scheduling viewings. A warm tone and clear communication set the stage for a positive experience. Confirm times, answer questions, and make sure everyone feels welcome before they even step through the door. Group appointments to save time and create a sense of demand. When buyers see others interested, it adds excitement and urgency. Plus, it helps you manage your schedule efficiently so you can focus on making each tour memorable. Before each visit, tidy up, air out rooms, and turn on all the lights. A fresh, bright home feels inviting and well cared for. Open windows for a breeze, fluff the pillows, and make sure every corner sparkles. Small touches can make a big difference. Greet buyers warmly and offer a simple info sheet. A friendly hello and a helpful handout with key details, like room sizes, recent upgrades, and neighborhood highlights, show you're organized and thoughtful. Start the tour in your best room. Point out highlights, then let buyers explore. Guide them to the sunniest spot or the coziest nook and share what you love about living there. Mention unique features like custom shelves or a peaceful backyard. Answer questions confidently. Have details like utility costs handy. Be ready to discuss recent improvements, average bills, or local amenities. If you don't know an answer, offer to find out and follow up promptly. Give buyers space to look around on their own. Let them imagine their life in each room, picturing where their furniture might go or how they'd decorate. A little privacy helps them connect emotionally with the space. Say, "Feel free to have a good look. I'll be in the kitchen if you need me." This reassures buyers that you're available for questions, but not hovering. It's a gentle way to give them freedom while staying approachable. Don't pressure for decisions, just be polite and positive. Let buyers take their time and form their own opinions. A relaxed atmosphere encourages honest feedback and helps them feel comfortable. A relaxed, informative tour leaves buyers with a great impression. They'll remember your hospitality and the welcoming vibe of your home long after they leave. Thank them for coming and follow up if they seem interested. A quick call or message shows you care and keeps the conversation going. Sometimes a thoughtful follow-up is what turns a maybe into a yes. Your goal, make them feel at home. When buyers can picture themselves living there, you're one step closer to a successful sale. The right buyer will feel the spark. Next up, handling offers. Get ready for the next exciting step in your home selling journey. Got an offer? Brilliant! Negotiation is next. Think of it as a friendly game, not a battle. Buyers usually start below your asking price. Don't take it personally. Get offers in writing, including any conditions or items they want included. Consider the whole offer, not just the price. Strong buyers are pre-approved and chain-free. You can accept, reject, or counteroffer. Stay calm and know your bottom line. Use your research to back up your decisions. Negotiations may go back and forth. Be patient and professional. Once you agree, sign a simple agreement outlining the price and terms. This shows you're both serious, but it's not the final contract yet. Well done. Deal agreed. Now let's tackle the paperwork. With a deal in place, it's time for paperwork. Hire a solicitor or conveyancer to handle the legal side. They'll prepare the sale contract with all the details: price, inclusions, and completion date. Gather property documents like title deeds and boundary info. The buyer arranges a survey and finalizes their mortgage. If the survey finds issues, be ready for minor negotiations. Once everything checks out, you exchange contracts, both sides sign, and the buyer pays a deposit. The sale is now legally binding. Backing out means penalties, so be sure before signing. The end is in sight, just a few steps left. Stay organized and responsive to keep things moving. Your solicitor will guide you through to completion. Almost there. Contracts exchanged, completion date set, time to pack. Start boxing up early and label everything by room. Notify utility companies and arrange final bills. On completion day, the buyer's solicitor transfers the money to yours. Your solicitor pays off your mortgage and fees, then sends you the profit. Make sure the house is empty, clean, and ready for the new owner. Do a final walkthrough and record meter readings. Once payment is confirmed, hand over the keys, either in person or via your solicitor. It's a bittersweet moment, but you did it. You managed the whole process yourself. Celebrate your achievement. You've earned it. Time for a new adventure. Congratulations! You did it. From listing to handing over the keys, all on your own. It took courage, effort, and a bit of clever thinking. You cleaned, priced, marketed, showed, negotiated, and handled the paperwork. You saved thousands in commission and gained valuable experience. The process seemed daunting, but you broke it down step by step. Now you know you can tackle big projects with confidence. Take pride in your achievement and enjoy the rewards. Whether your next adventure is a new home, a new hobby, or just a well-earned rest, you're ready. Put your feet up, have a cup of tea and some Wensleydale. You've earned every bit of it. Well done. A truly grand job all round.